If you've been grinding for months, maybe even years, watching video after video, trying every side hustle that you can find, and you still haven't made a move or a single dollar online, it's not because it's impossible, it's because you've been lied to. You've been told the key is more. More hustles, more tutorials, more courses, when in reality, every new thing that you start is just another restart, another reset button on your progress. And that is why you're still stuck. So in this video, I'm not gonna sit here and sell you a dream. I'm gonna expose the real reason that most people never escape the side hustle trap and show you what the new era of online business really looks like. And trust me, this one's gonna change everything. Look, I remember when I almost quit. And when I say quit, I mean quit everything, including the dream of finding the business that would get me out of the job that I hated, let me take care of my family, and live the life that I thought I deserved. I was to the point that I almost was accepting that I was going to just have to find another job and hopefully retire at 65. I had failing online stores, Airbnbs that were draining me, maxed out credit cards, and no profit. And I remember on my hardest mornings, I'd wake up and I'd think, maybe I'm just not built for this. But now looking back, I wasn't failing because I wasn't working hard enough. I was failing because I was chasing results instead of building skill. And that's when I realized that most people start online businesses or side hustles from desperation, not discipline. And I was falling victim to that, meaning that I would do anything just to see if it would work. Listen, I get it. You want to get out of the job, prove people wrong, make money fast, so you chase what's trending and not what's timeless. And when that quick fix doesn't work, what do most people do? Quit and start the next big thing. But that's how people spend years in motion, but never end up moving forward. So let me ask you something. How many business ideas have you started in the last year? Dropshipping, Airbnb, Amazon, crypto? Just drop a number in the comment section below because I just want to prove what I'm saying. Don't be shy, my comment section is a safe space, so go ahead and be completely honest. I just simply want you to see that you're not alone in this. Everyone who has had the burning fire in their belly to be successful has gone through it. Every time you say, this one's gonna be different, but it's not. Because you're not building a business, you're chasing a feeling. You're addicted to potential. That dopamine hits you when you buy a new domain, make a new logo, start a new course. So yes, it feels like progress, but it's fake progress. Every time that you quit, you're just ending up resetting your learning curve. And every reset costs you momentum, time, and money. You see, the goal isn't to learn 10 things halfway. It's to master one thing completely. Most people never win because they're allergic to boredom. They want that excitement. They want those instant results. But business, real business is repetition. You don't get paid for starting. You get paid for mastering the boring stuff that others avoid. Testing, optimizing, repeating. That's why I always say that consistency beats curiosity every single time. And once you finally understand that, you stop chasing shortcuts and you start chasing excellence. Here's the truth. There is a big difference between being a hustler and being an entrepreneur. A hustler trades time for quick cash, while an entrepreneur builds systems that make money without them. That's the identity shift that you need to make. So you need to stop asking, what is the best side hustle to start right now? And you need to start asking, what skill can I master that will make me valuable forever? And that's where this new era of e-commerce comes in. That's the beginning of real freedom. Let's talk about AI dropshipping, because this isn't some brand new side hustle trend. Dropshipping has been around for years. But what makes it different than all these other side hustles that you may have tried is that it's not dying, it's actually evolving. That same business model that helped thousands of people make their first dollar online is now entering a completely new era. Back then, you had to do everything the hard way. You would sit there and spend hours scrolling AliExpress, guessing what might sell, and manually building a store and writing every ad from scratch. That process was too slow, also extremely expensive, and it just ended up burning people out before they ever saw a single sell. Now that was the old way, but now we entered the AI era, and it's completely changed the game. We're talking about faster research, automated product validation, store design done in minutes, and ad creatives that would have taken you days to produce, now all generated in seconds. So the barrier to entry has dropped, but the results have sped up. And now the opportunity, it's bigger than it's ever been before. So while everyone else is still chasing the next side hustle, trying to find what's new, You're about to realize that the smartest move in 2026 isn't to start something new, it's to master what's already working, just in the new way. And this is the part where I want you to take something real away from this, because what I'm about to show you, you can literally start using today. When most people hear dropshipping, they think of some outdated hustle from 2018. But what they don't realize is that the people winning right now aren't guessing. They're leveraging AI to move 10 times faster than the average beginner using outdated strategies ever could. Now I could keep talking about this all day, but let me just show you what AI dropshipping in 2026 looks like in 4 simple steps. Step 1, AI store creation. No more coding, no more themes, and no more endless edits. With AI store builders, like the one I linked right below this video, you can have a fully built store in under 2 minutes for 100% free. All you need is a Shopify account. And if you don't already have one, you can literally get started with your first 3 months for only $1 each using the link right below in the description. And then once that's set up, all you need to do is just connect it to the AI store builder, and that's where the magic happens. I'm not exaggerating when I say this. It's the exact same builder that I used to launch a brand new store that made over $100,000 in under 30 days. You don't need experience, you don't need to design, and you don't need to write a single product description. Everything from branding to policy pages to FAQs is built out customized for you, and it's optimized to convert. That's the power of AI, because now, instead of spending weeks just getting ready to start, you're already in the game, testing faster and smarter than 99% of people. Step 2, AI product research. Once your store is live, the next question is, well, then what do I sell? This is where most beginners lose, because they guess. But the evolution of AI and product research tools has changed that forever. AutoDS uses AI to scan every major platform, TikTok, Instagram, Facebook, and shows you real-time data on how products are performing. It tells you how many people are testing it, what kind of engagement it's getting, how fast it's scaling, and even the emotional trigger behind the ads that are working. That means that you can see what's selling and why it's selling before you even spend a single dollar. So you're skipping the hard work and starting with real proof. From there, it's simple. Pick products that make people feel something, solve a problem, or hit an emotional nerve, because those are the ones that drive real sales. Step 3, AI ad creation. So now you got your store and your product. Next is a part that brings it all to life. With tools like Creatify.ai, I can drop in the product link, choose my target audience, pick the voice or avatar style, and it builds scroll-stopping ads that match viral formats across every platform. We're talking about content that looks native, sounds human, and connects emotionally, all done for you in minutes. Before, it took hours of editing, scripting, and trial and error. Now, it's done for you, based off of the same frameworks that are used by top-performing brands. And finally, the traffic, which brings me to step 4, AI ad optimization. Instead of manually targeting with your campaigns and praying that your ads find buyers, Meta has just released Andromeda, which uses AI to analyze browsing behavior and then pushes your products directly to people with purchase intent. It's like having a full ad team, data scientists, and media buyer running behind the scenes, but it's all automated. So while everyone else is still learning side hustles, you're building something real. A system that runs smarter, faster, and more efficiently than any hustle ever could. That's the new way. AI doesn't replace effort, it replaces friction. But listen, AI isn't magic. If you're still sitting there chasing every new opportunity, AI will just help you waste time faster. But if you finally commit to one lane, AI becomes your ultimate weapon. Everyone wants the secret idea, but ideas don't win. Execution does. People who win aren't smarter. They're just way more consistent. They learn faster because they do more. That's the cheat code. Stop learning to feel productive and start doing to become productive. Every rep counts. The first store will probably suck. The 5th will be solid. And the 10th will print money. But every single attempt compounds. Each rep shortens that learning curve until what once felt impossible becomes automatic. Success is repetition that compounds into momentum. That's how you build freedom. Not from one viral product, but from consistent execution. Here's the harsh truth. Most people watching this will click off and go right back to the same loop. They'll keep scrolling for the next best side hustle. But a few of you, maybe like 5%, feel something different right now. you're done starting over, and you're ready to commit to mastering a business instead of just another side hustle. You don't need permission because this is your permission. Decide today that you're done chasing noise and you're ready to build something that lasts. When I look back, my biggest win wasn't the money, it was control. And once I stopped chasing shortcuts and I started mastering systems, my life became predictable. Every day I showed up, I got closer to freedom. That's what I want for you. Not luck, but predictable progress. Because that's the real flex. Not cars, not watches, but real peace of mind. And I'm telling you right now, AI dropshipping gives you that leverage to build something that scales with you. But here's the crazy part. When I started my first store, I never imagined that it would turn into any of this. I wasn't thinking about buying properties, residential, commercial. I wasn't thinking about running multiple businesses, building teams, or consulting for brands. Back then, I really just wanted one thing to work. But what you'll realize the moment that you commit, like really commit, is that your value goes up. Because the more time that you put in, the quicker that you go from a student to the teacher. And that is when everything starts to change. I mean, opportunities that you never even imagined start finding you. Brands start reaching out, partnerships appear. I mean, people start asking you how you did it. And all of that comes from one simple decision. The moment that you stop jumping from thing to thing and you finally say, I'm all in. So to help you take that step of going all in with AI dropshipping, I put together a free downloadable guide with the exact steps that you need to take and what timelines that you should be committing to start seeing real results. Download it below and take action so that 30 days from now, you can look back and realize that the day that you stopped chasing shortcuts, you started seeing results. And if you want to see how quick those results can really happen for you, then take that cheat sheet and meet me at this video where I take you through an AI dropshipping challenge for 24 days starting with just $100 to prove that anyone and everyone can do it, no matter your current situation. So I'll see you there. This is AC with Supreme Ecom, and I'm out.